going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are out in this absolute weapon, a 530 horsepower single turbocharged E34 5 Series. This bad boy was originally imported from Japan, and we're gonna go for a first drive in it. If you are new to the channel, this car can be won for free PA ticket. There's gonna be a cash alternative, running costs go towards it as well. Link in the description, LLFgames.com, huge giveaway platform that I've been running for years and years. And yes, I give away cars just like this. Free P, lads. Wednesday, 10 PM, 100% winner. Anyway, we are gonna do a first drive. I didn't shoot the adverts on this car, so I've just had a quick little look on the website. But as mentioned already, single turbocharger. I believe it's a HX40 turbo, I may have that wrong. We do have high boost and low boost maps, 530 on high boost, 743 Newton meters of torque, going to the rear wheels, lads. We're not playing around. These are cars that I love to give you guys the opportunity of winning. This is a car that when I was 20, 25 years old, I would have loved to actually own. So to me, she looks like she's finished in like a dark blue, but the actual color is called Mika Schwarz Metallic. Schwarz Mika Metallic. I don't know what association that has with blue, but that is the color. But yeah, generally she's a nice condition car. Of course, she's not perfect, but what do you expect? 530 horsepower, rear wheel drive. We have upgraded LSD, fully forged M50 engine. We have an M52 crankshaft, forged pistons, rods. We're running upgraded fuel pumps, 850cc injectors. No idea if we have an aftermarket ECU, but I know we have switchable maps. These will say something about Aston Martin, but they look very BMW to me. Deep dish, 18 inches, Bridgestone tires. We have BC Racing coilovers. Mate, we're on a roll right now, honestly. I've just looked at the website for 2 seconds. Twin exit exhaust. We have some AC snitcher parts in here as well, like the spoiler, apparently the bumper, which, I don't know, is there something AC snitcher about that? I know on the front bumper, we have an AC snitcher style lip, but yeah, check that out. We've got an intake in the headlight, allowing air to be sucked into that turbo. Let's check out the interior. You can see sunroof. We have a ZF 5-speed manual transmission. I believe it's a short shifter. Feels bulletproof, that box. We have a carbon Kevlar Corby bucket, OMP steering wheel, heated leather electric seats. Generally, it's a nice car. She drives spot on. Did some drive-bys in it the other day. But yeah, she ain't too bad, lads. So as mentioned, she's on the website. Link in the description. Free P. I'm gonna go for a first drive before I head out. Depending when you're watching this, I'll probably drop this on a Saturday. No, I've not dropped this on a Saturday. I'll probably drop this, I don't know when I'll drop it. But if Ricky has got it up in time, this bad boy is just about to be drawn. A Lamborghini Countach Evocation. We have drop tickets to Free P. If you don't fancy the car, it's a £30,000 cash alternative instead. So get in there, lads. Cheap as chips. Millions and millions of prizes we're giving away. Anyway, look, let's jump in and see what she's actually like. Of course, the weather is looking amazing here in the United Kingdom. I'm just waffling at this point, but yeah, I'm trying to keep on this content creation. It's very difficult. I did mention recently that I just had a baby girl, which is pretty hectic. She won't go to sleep. I don't know what to do, mate. Anyway, let's get in this car. I think we might be in business. Quick little 25 squid, you know how we do, lads. For anyone unaware, I mean, any car you should never run on low fuel, but especially a car with upgraded fuel pumps and injectors and stuff, you want to make sure there's a bit of fuel in the car. Very mechanical drive this, bit of a squeaky Corbu bucket, but have a listen to the turbo. I didn't even get you lots any revs, man. It's just crazy. Once upon a time, this was a big old heavy car. Oh, latest M5 is 2.4 tons. We are warm. Okay, like, it's fast. I forgot actually how fast it is. I believe we do have upgraded brakes. I'm not sure what's on the website, as in you may need to check the website. Third gear, spinning in third, lads. Wow, this is running definitely a nice amount of torque. This box just feels bulletproof. Rev matching's nice. Fourth gear. Hey. Yeah, man, this is properly fast. shiny surfaces like this corner here is dodgy. I've actually spun my touring out here when I was with Calvin, so like here. Hey, come on! Wow, that went sideways, lovely. Nice progressive power, man. It's not just like a hit of torque all low down, it's really spread out. Oh, yeah, that little hint of turbo up front. These engines, M50s, you know, I'm definitely not a wizard on these, but my cameraman Oscar always tells me how solid they are. He's taking the bumps. BC Racing coilovers, you can't go wrong really. Got them on my Civic as well. Nice, she's taking these bumps really well. 18-inch alloys, just a nice size wheel. You know, bigger wheels look nicer, but for traction mainly I like a smaller wheel. Boy, this is properly fast, man. And I spoke to this owner at length, and we're on the window though, aren't we, really? Yeah, I spoke to the owner at length, and it's a solid car. He had, when he first purchased it, he said he had issues with it, and then later on he actually forged this engine. He just basically went overkill. So this is a really reliable. If I flatten it now. Oh, sick! This is sick, guys. Squeak, which is probably just a bolt that needs tightening up. Very easy to drive. Just feels planted as well. I like the way she went sideways, man. Crazy. Let's get some windows down. Let's see if we can get some turbos on the go. Rev matching's nice. Hey, mate, she feels fast as well. Like, obviously, come on. I know you would like to say that I'm spoiled. Oh, no, that's not good, is it? Okay, it's not that deep. It's not that deep, lads. Very controllable. I don't feel like I'm taking risks, if you know what I mean. Like, I just feel like I'm in full communication with this car. And of course it's gonna probably be the suspension. It's had upgraded control arms, all the bushes as well, diff bushes. So much work has been carried out on this vehicle. Paid some good money for it as well, you know. That one little bump in the road, then it just enabled third to spin all the way through, whereas generally every time I'm accelerating in this car, third gear is just full traction, but slight little bump, yeah, she'll spin through third. I mean, like, considering the weather, just it's encouraging me to still want to drive. It feels very stable. Nice. Obviously the bucket seat isn't ideal from a visual perspective, but my god, does it transform the way that you can control the car, you know. This gear lever as well, it's almost like a bloody armrest. We do have an armrest back here, but that's my armrest right there, lads. Come on. I mean, forget the power, of course we've got exciting power, but even the chassis itself, I mean, it's really harnessing and managing this power very well, and it really does feel the horsepower claim. We do have switchable maps. I don't know where they are. I'm not going to mess with them, obviously, guys. Somebody's going to win the car. We don't want to take the piss. It probably is in high boost for all I know. I don't know, but it does really feel punchy. It's a satisfying horsepower is what I want to say. Like, I don't feel like I'm short of any power. It feels bulletproof. It feels like I'm doing no harm to it. Wow, she is fast. I suppose I'm just saying the same thing. About 3.5 to 4K, she starts to come on pretty strong. Fucking reverse sensors. Like, man, honestly, like, it's a wet road, and honestly, like, you know, I generally, I'm not too bad with rear wheel cars, but it's encouraging me to want to have a little bit of fun. The PC racings are doing a job and a half, is what I am gonna say. Yeah, immediately know what kind of liberties you can take in a car like the CSL. I think I would be a little bit more cautious, the throttle response being so aggressive in it. Of course, NA. Anyway, I think we are coming second gear, because why not? Oh, sick! Oh, mate, I'm having a bit of fun now. That means we need to stop. That means we've got to stop. Nice. Anyway, I think that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, I think that is a video, lads. As always, if you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Yeah, there's a lot of positives to this car, but I really am struggling to figure a negative with this car. Like, the handling feels good, it inspires confidence, it feels planted, the gear shifter feels bulletproof, the rev matching's nice, the hit of torque is satisfying, it don't feel like it's lacking power. My visibility is good. I mean, even away from a driving perspective, the condition of the car, the turbo don't feel laggy. It sounds amazing hearing those whooshes as well. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon.